Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to measure the resistance of your pickup without having to remove the pickup from the body of a guitar. All you need to do is just to connect the cable to the input jack of a guitar, just like that. And you don't need to connect the guitar to the amp because you need the other end of the cable to be connected to this multimeter. So this one goes for cheap for about $12, I think. So set the measurement to 20 kilo ohm. This is important because a typical resistance value for a single coil or humbucker pickup is within 5 to 17k. So if you set the reading lower than 20k, you might not gonna get any reading from the multimeter. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna measure the bridge pickup, which is a humbucker, and I'm expecting to get maybe 12 to 15 kilo ohm of resistance. So I'm gonna connect the red probe to the positive side of the cable, and also the ground to the ground. Okay, so that's it. We got the measurement 12.92 kilo ohm, which is typical for a humbucker. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure the middle pickup, which is a single coil. So as expected, we got about 5.3 kilo ohm, which is substantially less than the bridge pickup. And finally, I'm gonna measure the neck pickup, which is also a single coil. Okay, this is interesting. The OL stands for open loop, which means that there's some loose wire perhaps. So I'm gonna have to do some repair because apparently there are some loose wires. However, it is important to note that resistance does not equal to output, although generally speaking a high resistance pickup generate a much higher output. But there are many other factors that would affect the output of your pickup. Things like number of turns of the coil, the strength of the magnet, and the nature of the pickup itself, like active versus passive, and so on. So guys, as you can see, the procedure is quite simple. So if you find this video helpful, maybe you can share it now, or if you have something to share or some question to ask, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.